Hello students, let's we learn our remaining last topic, that is human evolution. In this topic they have given the journey of human evolution from lemur to homo sapien, that is the human beings. Let's we see how they have given the journey of human being, how that humans evolved from lemur. The biodiversity that is known today has been said to be formed from very simple unicellular organisms due to evolution. Before in topic we learn about the how the living organisms that evolve. Our first living organism that was very simple and unicellular organism, and after the changes occur in that unicellular organisms it becomes a complex or multicellular organism. In this evolution, origin of human evolution can be shown as per the picture given below. Last dinosaurs disappeared approximately 7 crores years ago. At that time, monkey-like animals are said to be evolved from some ancestors who were more or less similar to the modern lemurs. Lemurs means the monkey-like animal is there. Tail of these monkey-like animals of Africa is said to be disappeared about 4 crore years ago. They developed due to enlargement in brain. Their hands were also improved and thus ape-like animals were evolved. So first that ancestor was lemur-like, means they have the tail like a monkey, and it's firstly found in Africas, that is, and that tail is disappear about 4 crores years ago. Then their enlargement, the development of and the enlargement of brain is occur there. Their hands also develop and that improve, thus ape-like animals were evolved. Here they showed like that in this picture. Actually this picture they have reduced from your syllabus, but for related to this information we can prefer this picture. Meanwhile, these ape-like animals reached the South and the Northeast Asia and finally evolved into gibbon and orang-utan. So when that development of the brain and improvement in their hands and become, then these ape-like animals they move from this Africa and they reach to the South and Northeast Asia and finally evolved into the gibbon and the orang-utan. Remaining ape-like animals stayed in Africa, and from them gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2 to 2.5 crores years ago. Evolution of some of the 2 crores years old species of ape seems to be occurred in different way. They had to use their hands more for eating food and other work. Again, that gradual changes occur in these animals when they are in the Africa, so that they have given the evolution of some 2 crores years old species, that ape seems to be occurred different way, means their gradual changes occur in that ape-like animals. They had used their hands for eating food and for other work. Those apes started to live on hands as the forest started to decline due to dry environment. Their lumbar bones developed in such a way that they started to stand in erect posture in grassland, and thereby their hands become available for use anytime. So here in this picture we can see there are standing apes are there. They started to stand or erect posture, here we can see of that animals. These first human-like animals with erect posture, which were using their hands, have evolved about 2 crores years ago. First record of human-like animals is with us in the form of Ramapithecus ape from East Africa. So here they have given the Ramapithecus apes, and that is from East Africa. Afterwards, these apes grown up in size and become more intelligent, and thus the ape of South Africa evolved about 40 lakhs years ago. Students, apes not grown only by their size, but their intelligence also that is increases. The morphology of these human-like animals started to appear like to be the member of the genus Homo about 20 lakh years ago, and the skilled human developed. After 15 lakh years ago, human walking with erect posture was evolved. It may have existed in China and Indonesia of Asian continent. Students, we have learned in the morphological evidences there is a changes in outer appearance. So here also in the when there is an evolution occur in human beings or the apes, so there also we can see the morphological changes, and after that changes that apes looks like a homo, and the skilled human develop, means they have the intelligent brain, and the hands also they are using for their works and the eating, means like a human they looks. About 50 lakh years ago, human walking with erect posture was evolved. It may have existed in China and Indonesia. First they saw that walking human in China and Indonesia of Asian continent. Evolution of upright man continue in the direction of developing its brain for the period of about 1 lakh years, and meanwhile it discovered the fire. So 1 lakh years about 1 lakh years ago they discovered the fire, means mans when they are lived in the forest. Brain of 50,000 years old man had been sufficiently evolved to the extent that it could be considered as a member of the class wise man that called the Homo sapiens. Netherlands man can be considered as the first example of wise man, means completely clever man is there, and intelligent man. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterwards this evolution had been faster than the earlier. About 10,000 years ago, wise man started to practice the agriculture. It started to rear the cattle herds and establish the cities. When there is an become a complete man, wise man, or we called in scientifically for that man Homo sapiens, they started the agriculture about thousands years ago, and again they started to rear the cattle herds and establish their cities. First they lived in the groups in the forest, and then they established their cities. Culture development took place. Art of writing was invented about 5,000 years ago, and thus the history had been started. Modern sciences emerged about 400 years ago, and industrial society was established about 200 years ago. And now we have reached at this stage, and still we are searching the details of roots of human ancestry. So here they have given the how the man they started their culture development and the art and writing. They invented about the 5,000 years ago. Then the history of this all that is started. And then about 400 years ago that industrial society was established. And About 200 years ago, now we have reached at this stage. There is an all development we can see in the human beings also, as well as in our surrounding also. And still we are searching to the detail of roots of human ancestry. Today also scientists they are searching the detail of the roots of human ancestry.